Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see or find music from your TikTok on your laptop or PC. To do so, first of all, you just have to log into your TikTok account from your Google Chrome browser. And now after you have logged into your TikTok account, you'll be on the For You page of TikTok. And here, just above the TikTok play, you can see a small music icon. And beside it, the song playing on the TikTok. If you click on this, you can see that it will take you to a different screen where you can see the song name here and the writer or the content creator that posted on the song at first. Here's an original video that was posted first by the creator using this audio. And now this is how you can find TikTok song from your laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.